Welcome to 1255 Snowball Lane. This beautiful home is located in the Franklin Meadows subdivision and is just minutes from Fort Campbell and shopping. The entry has hardwood flooring. This spacious great room has coffered ceilings and a fireplace. Take a look at the gourmet kitchen. It has an island, stainless steel appliances and granite counters. The dining area has a great view of the backyard. The master bedroom has a tray ceiling. The master bath will not disappoint with a beautiful double vanity, a large tile shower, as well as a jetted garden tub. You will have plenty of storage in the walk-in closet. This powder room is located on the main level. This spacious hallway is upstairs. There are 3 additional bedrooms upstairs. Each bedroom has ample space, and each has a ceiling fan. This full hall bath is shared by the upstairs bedrooms. The bonus room is located above the garage. And here is another view. The laundry room is located on the 2nd level. The back of the home has a covered patio, great for outdoor entertaining. There is also a nice level fenced yard. This is a great home that won't last long. Call or email me today for more information.